But yeah, I haven't seen the snake. I need to put more cinnamon out probably though, because like I myself can't smell it anymore. Like I think, I probably should have refreshed it a couple of times already. Good morning. Good morning. There are ones hiding in nice comments. What? I'm only talking about, I don't want to see the comments over and over again. Like I hate to see the same comment from the same person over and over, especially when it's like a demand, like put a white dress on. No. Or like all Arabic. I can't read that. Like French and Spanish, I can at least like meh. Like I can maybe figure it out if I want to. But even that, like I only speak English. So if you could just type to me in English, that I sound so ignorant and so annoying and dumb for that and so American and I hate it. But look, you're filling up the comments for things that I like actually want to read. That's why. They can Google Translate it though, so that but I'm not trying to talk to them in English and trying to force my language on them. Whatever. I'm just saying I can't read Arabic. Sorry that that's a crime. And I'm telling you that if you say crazy things, I'm just going to mute you or block you. So, whatever. I'm sick of it. And I need to retrain my algorithm to not send. Yeah, let's talk coffee. Let's move on. I don't need to tell you what I'm doing. And my mods aren't usually awake this early. I know. I wake up so early. I was ready to live stream at 6:30. Why do my eyes look so crazy today? My eyes look crazy today. Yeah, I know. My gifts are suspended. But you can follow me all the other places to see more of me and give me gifts there. I did put my